What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing Makima from Chainsaw Man. So it's kind of her and Denji. So she's kind of like looking at us from behind, sort of Denji here at the front, right? So we get Denji in first, right? So just place everything correctly. So start with his shirt, right? So his shirt color. I'm on a landscape page, sorry, I forgot to mention. Pencils and erasers for these, and hit pause if I go too fast. So we just start with his shirt line. Here, right? The collar sort of comes up around like so. Kind of like some folds. Like that. And then his shoulder comes off this way. Okay. So we've got her hand coming across the shoulder here, right? So we got like knuckles. 1, 2, 3, and a fourth, like here. Okay, so each of these is a finger. So we go down. She's got kind of long nails, right? They're not sharp, but they're long. They stick out over the bottom of her hand there. And this goes down. And then this goes around. The next finger comes down to meet it. Goes around. Up like so. Down to there, right? And then this finger comes around the back. And we meet her little finger here. And then this will kind of just sit on his shoulder, right? So we kind of like see his shoulder here then. Goes down the back, kind of like that. Okay, and then maybe her thumb sticks up. Okay, right, so that just helps us place sort of everything, right? So the back of Denji's head then, so we can just see his neck kind of here, right? And we have hair that comes along the back of his neck, so the other side of his neck, say, there. Okay, and then there's all this hair spike. Going up this way. So this just keeps going then, just like all around his head. So right up to sort of just the top of my page. Right, just up there, and then it like comes out the other side. I think we can see his earlobe here. Just like this square sort of shape. And then this goes down that way. So, and then we can see the side of his face, like his cheek curves out down for his chin. into his collar there like that. And then you'll have like texture lines on his hair. Just some more sort of hair spiking lines. And then kind of coming out from the top here. Like so, right. And then, so that's Denji, pretty much. So Makima. And we'll start with, so we're like, her eyes are like along this line, right? The back of his head. So say, we'll get the shape. So we'll go, her hair, right, comes up this way. We'll get this in first, right? So the side of her sort of hair here. And this sort of hangs down underneath here. So like the long piece of hair that come down the side of her face, right? And then the actual side of her face is here. So we'll just get this shape in. Around for her cheek. Goes up around her brow. Just there, right? So a curving sort of line. Like so, right? So her eyes are along here. So she's got like big top eyelash lines, right? So we go across and they're kind of jaggedy because there is eyelashes sticking out from them. Right, coming across here. Down like so. Some eyelash lines sticking off. Like that, right? So then the bottom eyelid line. So it goes down from there. Curving around. Up. Around for the tear duct, which they do draw in. Well, they color it in anyway. So then we got like some extra sort of lines around the bottom of her eye. And some eyelash lines here. Okay, so that's like the shape of the eye, right? So then her big sort of bullseye eyes. So iris coming down from the top eyelid. Right, like so, and then iris pupil. Now this is red, but we'll do it just with black, and we can always change the color later on. There, and then if you're drawing with pencil, which I recommend, you know, you'll be able to right, so like that, and then another. Like so. And then top, she's got an eyelid line just on top. Like so. Let me go over and do the other eye. So again, big sort of eyelash lines. They can be kind of jaggedy. Right, and then bring it back. some eyelashes coming up here. Right, and then our bottom eyelid line across there, and they draw in the tear duct. And then there's some extra sort of lines just around here for some eyelashes, like that. So in our iris, like so, and then that bullseye as best we can. It's actually tricky to draw these types of eyes, I must say. You know, because getting it like bang in the center is difficult. Right, so then what we can see of our nose, just here, and our nostril, just there. And then, oh yeah, her top eyelid line up here as well. And her smiling, just mouth, right? So it goes flat across first, and then kind of curves up the side here. And she's got like little dimples sort of on the ends. So then her hair, right? So we've got like fringe that curves down. So you just add all these spikes. And her eyebrows underneath. There we go. Down the other way. Okay, so all that fringe, and then like what we can see of her eyebrow just in underneath her hair here. Quite skinny. And over here as well. Okay, kind of like that. And then we keep going with the hair. So she's got more sort of hair spikes that curve around for her fringe just here. And we eventually go around the back of her head. like that, right? So we got these kind of bumps on the top of her head up here, just to show her hair sort of. Like so. Okay. So then we just have the long hair that sticks down this way. So we've got like lines like so and texture lines on it just there. Right. That's pretty much it. That's how to draw Denji and Makima from Chainsaw Man. Hope it was helpful. I'm enjoying Chainsaw Man. I look forward to it every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.